What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video of what the hell? That train almost killed me. Welcome back to another video about Trainz versus Cars Ultimate. Yeah, Trainz versus Cars Ultimate, and we're doing a video. Hooray! We're finally doing a video of Trainz versus Cars Ultimate again. So let's start with what? Okay, I don't. Oh God! No, please! I'm begging you! Oh God! Someone kidnapped me! Someone kidnapped me! Oh, hold on. I'm back, bro. Whoa, bro! Who's doing this? I'm like in the I'm in this bus, bro. Where's she? Yeah. Okay, I think I don't know what's going on, but I think someone kidnapped me. Kidnapped him. Oh shoot! I know how to do it. Sit on a sofa. Sit on a sofa. Sit on. Oh God! Sit on. Oh, I died. Oh, yeah. That's. Have you seen that video of me playing Trainz versus Cars Ultimate? It's pretty chaotic. I saw like two buses stack on top of each other, two highway. Oh shoot! Okay, I got a school bus. I'm gonna bring the kids to home. Oh, I crashed into the bus. Oh shoot! I think I killed the children. No! I think I'm dead now. No! I died! I derailed like two trains, bro. Broskies. Oh, limo! Let's go on a limo! Okay, so like and subscribe, or else a train will crash into your house. You don't want that to happen. And soon I will be doing a reaction video. You know, reactions. Like I haven't done much vlogs. Do like vlogs, and by the way, that's how the what the frick, bro! I think a train exploded. There, I think a train exploded. I think I noticed that a train exploded. Like a frickin' train exploded. Okay, that's how to solve the problem. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but anyways, have a good I don't know why I have a limo, and bro, there's a lot of people trying to stop the train. I think I don't know what I'm doing. I died. Bro, holy frick! What the hell? Someone caught me. Someone kidnapped me. You know what? They kidnapped me. I'm gonna kidnap them. What the? Oh. First, let's speed up. And go towards the train. Go! I think I think I'm right here. Okay. I noticed before. I'm far away from spawn, man. Bro. I think I know there's a locomotive there. Brother, hell! There's too much to strow. Oh. Kick knock. Can you please not? Highway bus time! Let's go to highway buses. Okay, highway bus. Don't ever fail me. I don't know why it's that. Is that fun? Move your go-kart, you can. Move your go-kart! Move your go-kart! Move your whole freaking go-kart! Oh, I'm still on the wrong track. Oh. I don't know what. Oh, I got out of here. Yay, I got out. There's a van. There's a cargo van. Bro, that collision was crazy. The train was chilling, man. Oh, the leaderboard. What happens if I go head forward to Trainz? Whoa, there's like lots of trains. Whoa. I landed to jump. Who pressed the button? By the way, I'm in the tracks. Bro. I think this is a fast train. Coming towards me and... Oh, it's flying. I lost my hat!
Hey, Pam.
I lost my hat! I lost my hat!
Am I recording? Hello.
Tito, you ruined the video.
Yeah.
Tito, why?
I forgot it. Sorry, guys. Bye.
Ignore that, everyone. Ignore it. Oh, God dang it! Oh, I think I caused too much more destruction. Aircraft bus? Why do I have to pay Robux? If I know, I would die. Whoa! Wait, I think I train hit a bus. Okay, no more Mr. Nice Crimson. No more Mr. Nice Crimson. I'm using this. It's my secret weapon. It's a weapon. I'm using this as a weapon. It's a top secret weapon. Called the ultimate top secret. Oh, it's a fast one. Come on. I don't know why I do. Oh, what the? I missed out on my ride. Don't worry. This is a fire truck, boy. Wee-woo! What's the problem here? Is it 911? What's your emergency? 911. Ooh. How did I hit this train? Bah! Get that. Oh. Ah! Bro, did that train just chilling? The train was just chilling. Speed up and forced train. Oh, wow. Wait, I don't know what's going on. Wait, hold on. I don't know what's going on. I think I crashed into a train. Wait, hold on. I think, hold on. Can I just go reverse? Just go speed up and then just reverse. Bro! That's my train right there. Who made this? Yeah, this is the most destructive game ever. Why is the door like there? Move your bus! Don't just leave it there to soak. I know why I would do it. It's time to... Wait, is that a TikTok video? How am I alive? I wasted my whole life. You know what? Wicked! Wah! Now all I need to go is go on a train. Trying to go on a train. Woo! Woo! I'm inside a train, boy. I need to go on you, Mr. Train. Oh. You know what? Let's. Ah! Someone stole my. Oh no! I know what I'm recording. This. Move out of the way! I think I created this 2 wheels, this bus with 2 wheels, and it's now called a dust. A dust. It's now called a dust. Oh, I think I'm stuck. Move your stuff, man. Move your stuff! Heard the rumors. You must get over Juba by Haha. I spot a highway bus instead of a highway bus. Now all you have to do is just drive it. Look, it just gets perfectly drived. Okay, I think I glitched it out. Hold on, wait. If you reset it with a car, does it just dies? The bus is still on here. Stealing the bus, bro. I just go. Ah! What the hell? No, I didn't understand. How did the leaderboard survive? The leaderboard just was. Wait, I had no floor all the time? I had no floor all the time? Bro, it's just a straight up. Bro, is someone being like a snake? Is the train being like a snake? Whoa! You know what? Fight with the train. Fight! Oh! It's a lawyer. It's one of my lawyer's sins. That train supposed to kill me, is it? I think. Press the button, people. Press the button. It's enough now. It's enough swinging. This video is not about to. Ah! Bro. What's happening over there? Oh, they're switching tracks. I caught it on camera, boy. Let's go. Okay, this is the end of the video. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. It will help the channel. And thanks for watching. Yep, I died. Thanks for watching.